Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Jerry Galaby with Social Signal Pros. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. I just want to show an example of how our agency uses video marketing to help market law practices and to get ranked higher on Google. Again, I run an agency here in South Florida called Social Signal Pros. We specialize in legal practice marketing, medical, cybersecurity marketing, those particular industries. We do have custom campaigns designed to help you increase your traffic and visitors to your website and also increase your client base. But in this demonstration, I'm just going to go over the legal and law firm marketing that we're doing with using video. Law firm practice advertising, the problem with that is very, very difficult to rank and compete against competitors. So a lot of law firms, and in particularly attorneys that have newer practices and just a newer website, they kind of find it hard to compete with practices that's been around for decades. And it's not a problem. We're here to help that. We can definitely even out the playing field with our marketing strategies. And another problem law firms have with their marketing and advertising is law firms and legal practices lack content marketing. So to sit there and update content every other week or every other day on your website takes a lot of time. There's not enough time spent on ad creating and media optimization for law firms. So even if they do get on camera and they do a presentation video or promo video about their law practice, they don't have the time to optimize that content, so this way they can get discovered or get more views and eyeballs on their content. And another problem a lot of law firms have is poor website conversions. So when they do get visitors, visitors tend to bounce right off their website and start looking at other law firm websites. And there's a couple of reasons for this. People, when they're looking for a specific service, not only in the legal field but in other industries, is people are just web browsing, they're web searching, they tend to be window shoppers, if you will. And they'll come across a lot of legal websites or attorney websites that all look the same. As soon as they pop up, there's that picture of a lawyer with legal books behind them, or a picture of a scale or a courthouse, and right there on top of the fold there's an opt-in form to leave for somebody leaving their information. And they see hundreds if not thousands of websites like this, and it's hard to get conversions out of that. And another problem law firm practices are having is they're still using old methods. So some of you people can drive down the street or a highway and still see a billboard for 1-800-lawyer now or something. Lawyers are paying tens of $1,000s for this. And granted, some of them have the budget to spend that, but that's not really the best way to aggregate new clients. So what I'm gonna do today is give you a demonstration on how we can rank legal websites on page 1. Now, law firms and attorney websites are almost impossible to get on page 1, but we can increase your viewership and boost your website higher using video. And for this demonstration purpose, I'm not going to use any of our clients' information, just for compliance reasons and contractual reasons, but I'll give you an example of how we're ranking law firm marketing tips here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Okay, so I'll just copy this real quick. And today's date, if you can see, let's see if you can. Well, today's date is the 28th. Okay, today's date's the 28th. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up an incognito window. What this is doing is showing you that Google is not suggesting any of my past or recent searches or anything like that. So this is started from a clean slate. So if I paste the search query, law firm marketing tips in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, there's our video right here. Out of 1.8 million results, we're right here on the top. We're even on top of other law firm marketing firms and other law firms. Like, this is the Google Maps. We can even get higher than that for certain keywords. And this was completed 17 hours ago. We just created this video just for this demonstration. Okay, and this is our company, Social Signal Pros, here in Florida. We're able to get this ranked here. This also works in other search engines, not just Google. We're ranking pretty high for this as well in Yahoo and Bing. This here is a Bing window I'm going to open up and show you. Let's see. Please bear with me. The screen recorder that I'm using slows down my my computer's performance. So, okay. So let's paste this in here if we can. Let's try again. So the reason I'm using this search query is, like, if a law firm, a manager or business developer or an attorney was to look for law firm marketing tips or a service here in our local area, they'll be able to discover us first. So we also service all of South Florida, Miami-Dade County law firms and law practices, and all of South Florida surrounding areas. Okay, so you hit enter. 1.5 million results. Now, we may not be on the top of page 1 of Bing, but hey, we're just under the maps, which is still a good place to be. And this is a good piece of online real estate to have, just to get anywhere, whether you're on top of the maps or just right under the maps. But anywhere page 1 organically is definitely on the way to go. So imagine, as a law firm, you have videos like these ranking for all kind of queries. Like, if you're a divorce lawyer, divorce lawyer near me, or what's the best way to find a divorce lawyer, or what type of divorce lawyer is better for, what type of divorce lawyer is better for, marital contracts or prenuptial, type of things. We can, if you have keywords that are ranking on page 1 for your firm or practice for many different types of keyword entries, you'll get a lot more visibility, and this will also help rank your website higher. Now, I'm not into revealing too many secrets, but to show you an example of why this is working for us and how this works for your law firm as well, is if you open up the video, and I'm gonna shut off the audio. Most people, when they do upload videos, they're thin on content. So when you click on show more, there's not much more. Well, we have a whole bunch of information and links. This is how we're able to get better rankings for law firms and other type of agencies, whether you're a medical practice, IT, or cybersecurity. We can definitely help get your agency ranked higher. So if you have any questions, we can give you a free 1-hour consultation over the phone. Just go to socialsignalprosflorida.com and click on the contact button. There'll be a scheduling calendar where you can contact us, schedule an appointment and contact us, and we'll get in touch with you and go over some details on how we can help your law practice if you're a good fit for us and we're a good fit for you. Okay, again, this is Jerry Galaby with Social Signal Pros Florida. I'd like to thank you guys for sticking around and listening to this short presentation. If you have any other questions, give us a call or visit our website, socialsignalprosflorida.com. Thank you guys, and you have a great, wonderful day.